So Odin Lake recently sent us this ergonomic chair to review, and you can check out that review here. Once I got the chair into my office, I realized that actually the rest of my office needed a spruce up too. And so in this video, I want to go over some of the ways that I actually made the rest of my office even more ergonomic and better to work at home from. So let's get to it. So the first change was that I used to have my monitor and my computer on a platform higher, actually at the height that these were at. And the chair that I used to sit at was a stool. This chair is shorter than that, and so I had to bring the computer forward. And then I realized that if I left the keyboard on my desk, I'd be typing way up here, which is really terrible for you. And so in order to put the keyboard at the right ergonomic position to type at, which would be literally leaving your arms right here at a neutral position and typing right here, I would need an under keyboard tray. And so this Vivo product, which I found on Amazon, turned out to fit the bill really well. It was super easy to put together, not too expensive, and it really is super simple and fit the bill. And it slides right in and worked, and you can slide out like that and get it out of the way if you need to. The reason that you would want that, right, is if I left the keyboard up here, let's say for instance that I had no keyboard tray and the monitor was up there and the keyboard was up here, I would be typing up like this, right? And I'd either have to lift my shoulders up or my arms up like this, which would create a lot more tension in my neck and shoulders throughout the day. Ideally, when you're typing, you want the humerus and the shoulders to relax completely downwards, and that at most your elbow folds to 90 degrees, but not up here, and certainly not bending at the wrist like that. And with this keyboard tray, I've actually got my arms resting right here in a perfect typing position with zero tension, which makes my shoulders and neck so much more relaxed and comfortable throughout the day. So that was a really simple, cheap, and well worth it upgrade. So the next thing was that I was for years using just the standard Apple Magic Mouse, which is a perfectly fine mouse. But I was starting to run into some wrist issues because I started typing a lot more than I normally do. And again, I'm a massage therapist. I normally don't do that much desk work, but as a business owner now, with a studio with almost 30 employees, I have found that I'm doing a lot more desk work than I normally do. So I decided to try out this vertical mouse by Logitech called the Logi Lift. And it is awesome. I really like it. It's not that cheap, but not that expensive, but it puts your wrist into this position instead of this position, and it really does make a huge difference throughout the day. And so, as you can see, if I'm just resting my arm here, I now have my hand in a very comfortable position to just mouse around, as opposed to this position, which puts a lot more tension on the wrist. And so that, again, super well worth it, highly recommend, links below. Okay, the next add-on is that even with that add-on, I don't want to be using my right hand to doing mouse work all day long and only my right hand. And so I added an Apple trackpad for the left hand on this side, so if I'm not doing anything complicated where I have to actually select text, where I need to have a little bit more of a button hold and move the mouse, but if I'm really just pointing and clicking, I actually can use this trackpad on the left hand. And that allows me to switch between the two hands throughout the day and give one hand a break and the other hand to switch back and forth. And so now I've got this vertical mouse on the right side, which gives my wrist a break on the right, but if I still need a break from that, I can just switch to the left and use this trackpad. And that doesn't have quite the full function. I'm sure there's ways to do all the things I can do with a normal mouse with the trackpad, but it's a learning curve I haven't quite mastered yet. But even just being able to do normal point and click stuff on the left just gives my wrist a break on this side. So that's another add-on that I made that just still makes my life a lot easier throughout the day. So these last pieces are not quite ergonomic pieces and more aesthetic choices, but they do allow for easy use of a lot of things. So the first things are these nice little mats to cover up my desk. They just do save the wood, because this is a nicer desk purchase that I treated myself to a few years ago. They're not true leather, but they do feel nice, and they just create a different surface to write on. The next thing is this little headphone stand, and I've really been trying to get back into listening to music more when I work, and I realized that just having a really high quality set of headphones easily accessible to me made it more likely that I was going to do that, right? And so just having this headphone stand right there, and just the ability to like take these headphones off quickly, put them on, put them back. And the other thing I use it for is just wallet, scooter keys, and a pen. And so that was a nice little upgrade, and it just looks nice on the desk. Not super expensive, but it's an easy thing to add on. And the very last thing, we all have them. This is a nice little 3-in-1 phone charger, watch charger, and headphone charger. I'm sure you've seen them all, but this one works really well. And that was a really nice upgrade too. I haven't had the need to think in this direction until this year, when my administrative duties as the owner of business really started getting to the point where I was working from home a lot more than I was used to. And I spend a lot more time sitting at my desk doing strategic planning, outlining things, doing SEO for the website, writing proposals, all sorts of things that I just wasn't doing as much prior to this year. And so this chair came at a really good time, and Odin Lake fell into our lap with this offer to have us review this chair, and I'm really happy that they did, because it is a fantastic chair and I'm really happy to have it in the office. And then, as I said at the beginning of the video, getting the chair in the office sort of made me relook at the entire office and go, actually I need to upgrade the whole thing and make my work from home space something a lot more like what I would recommend to my clients who do work at an office all day. And so a lot of these pieces really help out with that. And now when I actually do a lot of my administrative work, I don't feel beat up by the end of a shift of work. And so these pieces are all stuff that you can find. We have Amazon links in the description below. They are affiliate links. We do get a small bonus. It does help out the channel. They are no extra cost to you, just so you know. And so hope that helps. But again, as an owner and as a massage therapist, we only ever recommend products that I truly believe that will help you and that I would use myself, and actually am using myself. And so we would never recommend anything just to make money or just to recommend it for that reason. In closing, hopefully these little tips and tools will help you get through a workday with a lot less pain. They certainly have helped me do that. And of course, if that isn't enough and you are dealing with some classic desk worker issues like low back pain, neck pain, and shoulder pain, and you are in New York City, by all means, check out the link below for our website, bodyworksdw.com, and come book a massage and we can help you with that. And otherwise, thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.